hello guys, we are here in this E92 and this will be passenger POV city driving. So sit down here, relax and enjoy being driven in that nice E92 coupe with 177 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4 diesel. I've driven a little nasty, so I have 10-liter fuel economy, but overall it's around 8, so don't take that in mind here. Guys, in some of my videos, some comments from some people are that I talk too much in my driving videos. So in this video I will not talk too much. It's just that, and I will not talk anymore. That video is too calm for you guys. Oops, I shouldn't talk, but if it's too calm, you can actually watch our Curvy Road driving video of that car, which is spirited drive, aggressive drive. Oh, bad hole. Let's leave that back. Cargo front. Well, it's sport suspension, it's a sport coupe, so after all, on a bad roads it doesn't feel very nice. It's like you're destroying the car. It's too stiff, so it's not comfort ride on the bad roads. But if the roads are good, it's sport and comfort at the same time. You feel nice in that car, and at the same time it's just okay. Washer fluid. Don't get nervous, guys, by this sound. banger sounds, I call them, because they are from Chris Bangle era. Swides, little swide. I like the shifter, guys, look at it, so short. It's not the original one, it says M. Don't bumps, guys, you feel like a bag full of shit throwing you away up and down. But that shifter, guys, makes me want to shift all day. Well, guys, pretty boring ride, except some moments. But sorry, guys, some of the city rides are like this when there is a lot of traffic. You can still enjoy that video by some cruising. I like how the E92 coupe is and E46 too. The whole car feels like whole one body, and well, if we compare it to the sedans and the wagons and the estate cars, well, they feel that they are made from some separate parts, if I can say. But here you feel that the whole car is just your seat and the seat next to you and the front. You don't feel the rear. You don't feel the rear being long like you're in estate car, for example. It's just different feeling being in a coupe, much more stronger. calm video for my style, but I hope you enjoy also such kind of videos. E92 is a great coupe car, so if you don't need so big trunk and the space on the back, it's just amazing car. Yeah, and the doors are really long, so when you park somewhere you should have space next to the other car, and that in the city may be a problem, but after all it's just a brilliant car, well handled, and BMW feeling all the way. It's a whole car, and nice shifting manual gears, drive manuals, guys. See you in the next video. Subscribe and put the notification on so that you receive alert when we have a new fresh video. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye for now.